Spirituality has nothing to do with the atmosphere you live in, it's got something to do with the atmosphere you create within yourself. Here we are at Langa Pass on Nepali-Tibetan border, 14,800 feet submerged in cloud. Here we are. Well, we're having a lot of struggle coming up this pass because there are no roads and even four-wheel drive tractors are stuck, pokelins are stuck. So we're somehow making our way through this. The only jeep that's made is ours right now. All others are halfway down. Hope we clear this before it's dark because once sundown happens, right now it's only 2:45, you see how it is. Well, 5:36, we're going to be in a lot of trouble. But you know, these are just situations, no problems. We'll handle this somehow. Everybody's hungry, but we'll manage